Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. Ferrari has done it again, but not in the way you'd expect. No, we're not talking about another V12 supercar or a track-focused beast. We're talking about the brand new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. The Italian automaker known for high-speed luxury and racing heritage has entered the premium motorhome market, and they've done it with signature Ferrari flair. Let's take a closer look at this masterpiece on wheels. Motorhome details. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, named the Ferrari Viaggio, redefines what it means to travel in style. Built with the precision engineering you'd expect from Ferrari, this luxury RV combines performance, elegance, and comfort like no other motorhome in existence. Developed in collaboration with high-end design firms and powered by a hybrid V8 engine, the Viaggio is not just for show, it's meant to be driven. Ferrari hasn't just built a motorhome, they've crafted a road yacht for the elite. Exterior design. From the outside, the Viaggio looks like no other RV. Aerodynamic curves, carbon fiber body panels, and a sleek, aggressive front end give it a supercar silhouette. The signature Ferrari red paint job with yellow accents immediately screams luxury and performance. The Viaggio is built on a custom chassis with adaptive suspension and sports 22-inch forged alloy wheels, each branded with the iconic prancing horse. LED matrix headlights and active air vents not only look stunning but also provide real functional benefits for long-distance travel. Interior design. Step inside, and the luxury is simply breathtaking. The interior is designed with the same care as Ferrari's top-tier vehicles. Premium leather seats, Alcantara trim, and carbon fiber accents blend seamlessly with high-tech amenities. The cockpit features a digital dash display similar to the SF90, along with touch-sensitive controls and a head-up display. The living area boasts a modular layout with a queen-size bed, fully equipped kitchenette, climate-controlled wine storage, and a hidden OLED smart TV that rises from the console. Natural light floods in through panoramic windows and a glass ceiling section, giving it an airy, open feel. Every material used inside is hand-picked for both beauty and durability. Comfort level. Ferrari didn't just want the Viaggio to be fast, they wanted it to be comfortable. The motorhome is packed with smart climate control, ambient lighting, noise-canceling insulation, and massage-equipped captain's chairs. The rear lounge converts into a sleeping space effortlessly, while advanced shock absorption ensures a smooth ride even on rougher roads. It also comes with a built-in voice assistant and app integration for full control of lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Performance. Now, let's talk Ferrari's favorite topic, performance. The Viaggio is powered by a plug-in hybrid V8, producing around 700 horsepower. It might be a motorhome, but it still accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, making it the fastest RV in the world. It features regenerative braking, intelligent all-wheel drive, and adaptive cruise control. Whether you're cruising through the Alps or flying down the Autobahn, the Viaggio delivers an unmatched driving experience. Conclusion. So, what do we think of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome? It's not just an RV, it's a revolution in luxury travel. With stunning design, state-of-the-art tech, incredible comfort, and Ferrari performance DNA, the Viaggio sets a new standard for the road. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you drive one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive luxury content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.